Uh, Hello everyone. So, today I'm trying to remove the starter on my 2004 Dodge Intrepid SXT. So first off, what you need to do, you got a 15mm socket and put it on the bolt. There's two bolts. There's going to be one all the way up there that I can't really show you. I'll try when I get there. But here's the 15. I put a breaker bar on here, as you can see, 17-inch breaker bar, and was easily able to break it off. So I'll get right back with you as soon as I get this thing off of here. Now, there's not exactly a lot of space under here. So this is the bolt. I don't know if my camera's gonna focus. The bolt is right over here. I have my light right there, so show you where the bolt is. I get my ratchet. See, my ratchet's over there. Right over there. So let me try and get my ratchet on it. You can see my ratchet's here. And now it's turning. It's not exactly easy. I just switched ratchets. Right now I'm using a 3/8. I had a 1/2 inch, but the socket was an impact and it wasn't small enough to get there. I had the deep well socket on here, so as you can see, don't know if you guys can actually see it here. The socket is all the way, okay, hold up. It's right there, right over there. Don't know exactly. So have it right there. This is actually a cramped space. I have the car on a jack stand and a jack, so it should be plenty safe as of right now while I remove this. So I'll come back with the video when I'm done, because it's really hard for me to actually remove it and videotape. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and right there is the bolt. So just once you get it taken out enough, just go and remove it. Try not to drop. So let's get off from here. That's now missing one of the bolts that hold it in. No, the top one. Now let me first get it out from here. This car's actually been here for a while, so it's basically been taken up a lot by some spiders. Gotta come get that mower over there. And so this right here is one of the bolts. This is the bottom bolt right over here, and it is a pain to get to. Your arms might end up being tired after trying to remove it. So yeah, now we have this one out. So we have it. This, I was doing something else. I removed the headlights here. This was some of the old owner's wiring thing he did. It was a pretty bad job of it, because this doesn't really turn on unless you maneuver it. So I have to go and try and fix that when the car finally gets on. We have our new battery from AutoZone right there. Remove the whole air thing. So now you can see the starter. It's like right over there. This, and it's using the original one that it got. So that's the starter right there. Now, might not exactly be able to show you the top bolt, because it's going to be a bit hard and it's a bit cramped under there. but I'll try nevertheless. So, have my good old Harbor Freight small flashlight here. And I'll try to get the camera up there. So I'm going to pass my other hand here and have the camera get held right there. And I don't think I'll be able to show it on camera, but it's right over there, the top boat. You actually won't be able to see it. Yeah, it's right over there. That's the top boat. Yes, you guys can see it's right there. And the boat that's right over here. That's the top boat. So I have to get that out to remove the starter. But then there's a boat at the back of it that I'll show you right after I get that out. And that's the power one. So be right back. Okay, so I'm back. And right over there, that's where the boat is. Now, my hand is really tired right now, so yeah. I had to struggle a lot to get that there. I was going to use my breaker bar, but I just decided I'm going to have to use my brute strength and just a ratcheting one to break that off. And after you get that done, I'm not really out of breath because of this. Should be pretty interesting. So I'm going to pause and I'll be back when I'm done. I got the evil top load out. So this, I tell you now, is a complete pain to remove. But I was able to do it. So we have both of the boats here. They're both 15s. I couldn't really show you the top one very easily because there wasn't enough space, but when you get in there, you'll find it. Now, we have to get back there because there is something called a 13mm boat. It's on the back of the starter. So first off, probably need to try and maybe get the starter off because it's not easy to find that boat. It's at the way far back. So when I find it, I'll turn back on the camera. Okay, so I found it. Now I don't know if I can exactly be able to easily show you where it is, but it's all the way there. As you can see. Don't know if there's going to be enough slack, but I'll try. I'm going to try to go and first remove the starter and see if there's enough slack on it to get that one off. It's like right in there. So I have to go and try and see if there's enough slack. I can't go and keep the camera there. Also, it hurts my neck. So be right back.